should be reinstalled, right? So if we save it, come back to the browser, we see registered and installed, but we do not see activated. That's because we already have a service worker, the previous version before we made a change to it, activated already in the browser. Remember, the browser does not automatically activate our new service worker version and replace the old one with it. And that is because the old one was the one that loaded with the app when it fires in the browser. And if the browser just changed it while we have the app open, it could cause breaking changes to the app, and that's not a good user experience. So, in the application tab, we can see that we still have the old one activated, this green one, and we have a new service worker waiting to activate. So now with all instances of browser tabs, or the app itself on the phone, closed and then reopened. So we have to close the app down completely, including any tab that might have it open up here, and then we have to reopen it, and then at that point it should become active. So I'm going to demo that. I'm going to just take this and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open up a new tab, then close this one. So all instances have closed down now. I'm going to paste it in here, press enter, I'm going to go to inspect, we go to the console, and now we can see it installed and activated again right here. So now it's been activated again. We can see there's no longer one in waiting because that has been activated. Okay? So then, as a user, we would always have to close the app instances and reopen it. I mean, they're not really meant to know about service workers and to know that that's what they have to do, but just naturally, they close apps and they reopen them, and then this is all happening in the background to update our service workers in their application. But as developers, it's a bit of a pain having to close all instances all the time and then reopen them, or likewise on a phone, having to close it down and reopen it. So there are a few shortcuts for us as developers to do this. The first one I'll show you in a second. Let me just change this. I'll take away this comment so that it reinstalls, and then we should see in a second a new service worker waiting to activate. Now instead of closing down the tab and reopening it, all we can do is say skip waiting, and now this becomes active. Okay? We might have to refresh the page again so that this works properly, but now it's active. We don't have to close down the tabs. The other option, if I make a change again, I'm just going to undo this, save, come back over here so we see the service worker in waiting again, the new one. Another option is just to say update on reload. So now every time we refresh, it's going to make it active. We don't have to close it down, and speeds things up for us as developers. So I tend to keep this checked, but I'll let you know if I uncheck it, if I want to show you something different in the future. So then, all of this might seem a little bit complex at first, but the more we work with service workers, the more this becomes obvious and second nature. And this cycle of a service worker is really important to get your head around. If you don't understand this, you're going to face problems when you're developing PWA. So what should we do inside this callback anyway when something has been activated? Well, this is another area that we could do some cache management. And again, I'm going to show you all of that later on. First of all, what I'd like to do is take a side step in the next video and show you how we can audit this app and see how much of a progressive web app it is in Google's eyes. And we'll do that in the next video.
If you want a fast website, you have to try Hostinger.com. I use WordPress, and with Hostinger's Lightspeed technology, my website loads faster than ever before. You gotta love that. My business got to the first page of Google. Turns out website speed is a major ranking factor. Next thing you know, I had clients from all over the world. Now I run a global business from my bedroom. If I ever get stuck, Hostinger's team answers any questions I have 24/7. So why wait? Go to Hostinger.com and supercharge your WordPress website today.
Hi! Have you always wanted to learn to code but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing websites and apps and bring your ideas to life? Then this is your course on web development, from beginner to advanced. Programming is the most in-demand skill in 2019, and this skill can be yours with this course, all for the price of lunch. The course begins with the basics. I take you through everything you need to know to start building websites like an expert. Next, you'll learn all the